Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and I'm here with a new video, and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before discussing the job opportunity, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for future updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you. So please do like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobkar. सो विद दैट नोट लेट्स क्विकली डिस्कस अबाउट द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एक जॉब हायरिंग के बारे में जो कि है कॉग्निजेंट की तरफ से. एंड कॉग्निजेंट इज हायरिंग फॉर प्रोग्रामर एनालिस्ट ट्रेनी. ओके, सो वी विल talk about this, that who are eligible or who can apply, how you need to apply. Okay, so basic qualification they want are science and engineering graduates. So who all are there from science and engineering graduates? Basically BE, BTech, MTech, ME and MCA, MSc, BSc and BCA, all these degrees. Basically whoever is like graduated from a science or engineering degree, they can apply for this job. Okay, the responsibilities they have given here. So they want requirement analysis, then understanding the functional aspect of the client requirement, then efficient task execution and raise clarification issues, concerns and regarding work output to the lead on time, and adherence to schedule timelines, and maintain effective working relationship interpersonal with team members and supervisors, and adhere to organization policies and procedures, and participate in project and organization initiative led by the delivery leadership, and ensure appropriate classification and prioritization of tasks, and comply with defined process during task execution, and provide periodic task label updates as required, and documentation assisting in creating documentation about client specific applications, project specific processes and workflows, and creating applications specific report. For example, SLA, KPI reports, performance aspect, and number of transactions processed per day, and number of successful transaction, etc. सो अगर हम बात करें इस जॉब के बारे में, सो एज पर दिस यू विल बी इन्वॉल्व्ड इन requirement analysis, then efficient task execution, and then documentation. So these three will be your responsibilities, under which you need to perform some basic task, like you need to adhere the schedule. आपका टाइमिंग जो है वो आपको मैच करना पड़ेगा, whether it is like delivery timing, project delivery timing, or anything else. So you need to be on time in that way, and you need to do all these work they have mentioned in the responsibilities. Now we will discuss about the participation in the calls and status reporting. So you need to participating in daily stand-up calls and weekly calls, and participating in creation of weekly and monthly reports to client, and learning in the learning and training. You need to be understanding details of the quality processes and practices followed in the project from different sources, and going through project specific documentation and boot camps to learn about client application suites technology, and stacks used in the client environment, and client specific processes and tools like quality center and Jira, and attend any knowledge transition session conducted within the project to gain proficiency in the project level knowledge, and then completing the domain technical project relation training and certification. So these all are the status reporting, or you need like आपको डेली का स्टेटस और वीकली स्टेटस जो भी होगा वो आपको देना पड़ेगा टू योर सुपरवाइजर और टीम लीड. देन जो भी मंथली कॉल्स होंगी उसमें आपको क्लाइंट को रिपोर्ट देनी पड़ेगी. देन उसके बाद जो भी लर्निंग और ट्रेनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज कराई जाती है विद इन दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आपको उसमें भी पार्टिसिपेट करना है। ओके, नाउ मस्ट हैव स्किल्स आर ब्लू प्रिज्म एंड डॉट नेट 3.0। सो आपको ये दोनों चीज़ें आनी चाहिए। गुड टू हैव यूआई पाथ, अगर आपको यूआई पाथ आता है तो ये आपका एक एड ऑन पॉइंट हो जाएगा। दिस इज़ अ फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड योर शिफ्ट विल बी डे शिफ्ट। बेसिकली जो जनरल शिफ्ट होता है 9 to 6 दैट विल बी योर शिफ्ट। यहाँ पर कोई भी नाइट शिफ्ट रिक्वायरमेंट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। एंड yeah, this is all about this job opportunity from Cognizant. This is about Cognizant, so you can go through about the company. Okay, so they are hiring for program analyst or trainee, and they have not given about any batch criteria, so all the engineering and science graduates are eligible. So no matter from which batch you are from, you can apply for this job. So all these graduates from science and engineering do apply for this job, because this is a good opportunity for you. They said there is no batch requirement basically, so this is a really good opportunity for you all guys. So do apply. I will provide this link in the description box, so you can go to the link and click on this apply now button here. This is the apply now button. You need to click here and complete your application, and for further process you need to wait for their email from you on your registered email ID. They will send you mail about the next process. Okay, so this is all for today's job update. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for getting updates in future, and also hit the bell icon. And also guys, share it with your friends, whoever can get help from this job update. And I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.